morning. Today we are honored to be here with Judge Jermaine Thomas at the Court Law of Number 5. Judge Thomas serves the people of Harris County with integrity, fairness, and strong commitment to justice. Hello, Judge Thomas. How are you doing today?
Hello, Rana. Good to see you.
What was your journey? How you started?
Okay.
At what age you thought that you going to be a judge one day?
Love the question, and to be quite frank with you, I never thought about being a judge. I always wanted to be an attorney. I always wanted to speak for the unspoken. I wanted to give voice to the voiceless, and that's been my life goal.
I've heard that you were very close to late Congresswoman Sheila Jackson Lee and late Mayor Sylvester Turner.
Yeah.
So how that journey started with these huge elected officials who have done a lot for people, not for even black community. They have done for Muslim community, they have done for Hindu community, every type of community. They were elected officials for every community.
For all the people.
For all the people.
Relationship is obviously with Representative Mayor Turner. I call him Representative Turner because I met him back in 1997. He's actually my mentor. He was the first lawyer I knew. And when I went to law school, my second year in law school, I wanted a clerkship opportunity, and I hadn't had a lot of opportunities to do it. I've always been a fan of Congresswoman Sheila Jackson Lee. I've known her through my contacts with Mayor Turner, and I've known her over the years, but obviously my relationship with Congressman Turner, Mayor Turner, was stronger than mine with Congresswoman Lee, but she was a strong, vibrant.
Yeah. But I have not seen a lot of them humble. You know, that's the positive thing. Like, you have higher seat, you have power, your authority. In spite of that, you are humble. You know, that's what gets me a lot.
Well, that means a lot to me, and I appreciate that. I view that as a compliment. Because I come from humble means. You know what I'm saying? I grew up without a father, grew up to a teenage mother here in the city of Houston. I've had three jobs in my life. My first job was working at a car wash when I was 15 years old. I worked at that car wash for 10 years. At that job, I met an immigrant to America, a Pakistani national. He taught me my work ethic. He showed me kindness. He was the first individual that I witnessed, non-black individual, to have to suffer from bigotry. And he's one of the reasons why I view people as people.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. Everybody has their own beautiful qualities, and as you get to know people from all walks of life, and you can learn to appreciate it.
What are the primary responsibilities of a judge? Like you're on the Court Law Number 5. How do you oversee the cases? How does it work?
Okay, great question. My primary responsibility as Harris County Civil Court at Law Number 5, we handle civil matters. No criminal, no probate, and no family. So essentially, we handle like your car wreck cases, breach of contract cases, eminent domain. We also the appellate court for the JP court.
What advice you have for the people of Harris County when they come to the court very first time?
From the county court level, we have more hands-on experiences with pro se or self-represented parties. We probably have about 30% of our cases where individuals represent themselves, can't afford a lawyer. But what we can assure them is that justice will be served, that their voice will be heard. We might not always agree with their assessment of the claim, but they'll be treated fairly and the rule of law be followed.
One advice or any advice to these youth that how they start their political career, how they start if they want to be in a position to serve people. Of course, to serve people, you have to be on a position, right, to get to the right direction. What advice do you want to give them?
There's a couple of things, and I'm going to share a personal experience that still exists today, and I think it was the key to me. It led me to where I'm at right now. One, always volunteer and work in the community. But when I was a junior in college at Texas Southern University, in a political science major, I heard of this internship called the Texas Legislative Internship. And there's a lot of success stories from that program across Harris County. There are a lot of people working in government in Harris County and Fort Bend that have utilized that program and gone on to be very successful.
Judge, thank you so much for your time, your wisdom, and your service to the Harris County. Thank you very much.